I have a job that's always on the move and I need a very flexible solution. That's why I absolutely am having this. It can adjust all the way from 29 to 44 inches, even higher if I needed to. All you have to do is push this lever and push it straight back down to adjust the height. 20 by 23, it fits my laptop just fine. Absolutely love how easily it rolls and moves around. The construction here is steel and aluminum. It's got a laminate top, so if I have a drink and it leaves a watermark, it's so easy to wipe off. Love the flexibility of the wheels. You can lock them in place or move them, and love the design at the bottom so that my feet can be there. I can also slide my chair under, slide it away. So whether I'm giving a presentation, I need to reference my laptop to do other things, I need to slide my chair up to sit down to do work. It's completely flexible. I would say the problems this solves are limited desk space. I need a flexible workspace to go from standing to sitting to wheeling to moving to a different location. I can literally take this with me and it couldn't be easier. When I have a shared space, as I do here, I can bring this in, put my materials that I need here, my drink, my laptop, shift it and move on to the next thing. And then you can even pull this over if you needed to at home to a couch or wherever, because the legs slide directly under a piece of furniture, which is super helpful. So it has four caster wheels for mobility, two lockable wheels. They're stable, so you could just push the button and lock them down. It was really easy for me to assemble. Maybe it took me about 12, 15 minutes. No tools. It was just kind of screwing things together. I would say the standout features for me overall were mobility, allows me to move it wherever I need it, allows me the flexibility to sit, stand, increase the height. I can use it for my height all the way up to someone who's taller, or adjusting it for my needs per room. And it's very compact. I think it's ideal for a smart dorm, office, workspace, flexible space, things of that nature. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.